Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a way to make money online by building websites for small businesses, even if you have zero coding experience. This method can potentially earn you up to $350 in just 4 hours. Intrigued? Let's dive in. There are 2 ways to find small businesses that need websites. Use Google Maps. Search for local businesses that lack websites. Look for plumbers, electricians, hair salons, or any local service business. Use Facebook. Search for local businesses in Facebook groups or pages. You can often find contact details like email addresses on these profiles. We'll be using an AI website builder called Hostinger. Their user-friendly interface allows you to create websites with just a few clicks. Here's the process. Sign up for Hostinger. They offer free domain names with some plans. Choose a website plan. The 24-month plan is most cost-effective. You can use a discount code, mention your code here, for an extra discount. Client onboarding. Use the provided email template, linked in the description, to reach out to potential clients and offer your website building services. Create a client website. When a client agrees, gather their business details and desired website features. Hostinger's AI builder will use this information to automatically generate a website. Customization. You can further personalize the website with the client's preferred colors, logos, and images. Hostinger's AI can even generate unique logos. Create a business PayPal account. This is a secure way to receive payments from clients. Send invoices. Once the website is complete, send an invoice to your client through PayPal. This is a great way to get started with building websites and making money online. Remember, getting clients might take some effort, so build a good list of potential customers. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments if you land your first client. I love celebrating your success stories. Don't forget to check out the description for the discount code on Hostinger and the email template for reaching out to clients. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace out.